Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the battery chemistry and state of charge, because the charger selects charge profiles accordingly. Once done, park the vehicle in a ventilated area and put on eye protection. Safety matters. Make sure the Noco unit is switched OFF before you connect clamps. Attach the negative clamp to a clean chassis ground or battery negative, then attach the positive clamp to the battery positive terminal. This prevents sparks and ensures correct polarity when powering the charger. Next, choose the correct charge mode. Pick 2A for slow maintenance or 10A for faster charging, and select lithium mode if applicable, since chemistry-specific algorithms prevent damage. After selecting mode, switch the charger on and observe the LED sequence so you understand what stage the battery is in. This tells you if it's charging, charged, or has a fault. If the charger offers a desulfation or restore function, engage it for deeply discharged lead-acid batteries to improve recovery. To finish, wait until the charger indicates a complete charge, then switch it OFF before disconnecting clamps. Remove positive first to avoid sparks. Store the Noco dry and coil cables without kinks, and inspect clamps for corrosion so future connections are reliable. If the battery doesn't accept charge, test its resting voltage and check vehicle fuses and connections. If the charger shows a reverse polarity or error LED, double-check clamp placement and try again, because most faults are simple connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.